Oh, I think he's very committed to crypto. Actually, what happened the night before his inauguration, I think he launched some meme coins, and that caused quite a stir in the crypto community. He's also named Paul Atkins to be the SEC commissioner. He is pro-crypto. Senator Lummis has said that she's looking forward to the Atkins diet under Atkins as he becomes the SEC commissioner and really regulates digital assets the way they should be regulated.
Bitcoin Zella stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to Bitcoin Zella today and enjoy the new edge. In this video, Cathie Wood discusses President Trump's memecoin, the evolving crypto landscape, advancements in artificial intelligence, and insights into ARK. Let's catch up with her to learn more.
I think the SEC is going to be prudent, but in terms of liberal, I think that as long as the sponsors are following the 40 Act laws, that they will allow many of these new products. Yes, it's a meme coin. In 2017, we went through the ICO movement, which was very much, if you remember, CryptoKitties started a movement back then in ICOs. This is part of the meme coin moment. Isn't going to have any utility. We shall see. I mean, there is speculation that, you'll get to meet President Trump as one of the utilities of owning this coin. I don't know if that's the case or not, but so far we don't know of much utility for this coin, except that it is a meme coin of President Trump himself. In the early days of really, I think he's ushering in the next phase of the crypto revolution. Yeah, we've pretty much stayed away from the meme coins. We're very focused on the big three, so Bitcoin, and as you know, ARKB is one of the larger spot Bitcoin ETFs out there, happily. Ether and Solana in our private funds. So those we believe are the big three. And then we think that the decentralized financial services movement, some people call it DeFi or internet financial services or even FinterNet. We think that is going to be big. That's very Ethereum and Solana based. And so there are some crypto assets that are providing great utility for that movement.
The cryptocurrency market is experiencing a sharp downturn today, with the total market capitalization plummeting by over 6.4%, settling around $3.38 trillion. This unexpected drop has left investors scrambling to identify the driving factors behind the decline and whether it signals further losses ahead. A significant contributor to the market's struggles appears to be the release of DeepSeek R1, an open-source artificial intelligence model developed by the Chinese AI lab DeepSeek. This groundbreaking technology has disrupted the landscape by rivaling leading AI models at a fraction of the cost and resources, creating shockwaves across AI-related stocks and cryptocurrencies. Tokens tied to AI projects have borne the brunt of the downturn, with notable losses seen in assets like Render, Near Protocol, and the Graph. These tokens have fallen by 14.6%, 11.4%, and 11.41%, respectively, as investors adopt a risk-off approach. Adding to the turmoil, the crypto market is grappling with a wave of leveraged liquidations. Leverage trading, which amplifies gains and losses, has resulted in cascading liquidations as falling prices force traders out of their positions. Data indicates that nearly $853 million in positions were liquidated in the past 24 hours, predominantly impacting long positions. This liquidation frenzy has intensified sell-side pressure, creating a feedback loop of declining prices. Technically, the total market cap of cryptocurrencies has lost critical support at the 50-day simple moving average (SMA), which could spell further declines. The market's relative strength index (RSI) has also dropped, signaling a shift toward bearish sentiment. If selling pressure continues, the market could face deeper losses, with key support levels at $3.2 trillion and $3.1 trillion under threat. Conversely, renewed buying interest might help the market reclaim lost ground and challenge recent highs.
You know, it's interesting, and Chris Berniski, who was our first crypto analyst, now we would call that digital assets analyst, he made a comment on X this weekend that I think is true, that the ICO movement in 2017 really brought this new technology, or at least curiosity about this new technology, to a whole new group of people. And while, you know, some in the traditional crypto world considered it, I think he used the word cringy or something like that, it really did open a lot of eyes. And it did usher in, that year we had, I think, if I'm not mistaken, Bitcoin went from 1,000 to 20,000 as part of this movement. You know, this is a lot like the early days of the internet. And we laid a lot of fiber, right? A lot of money and eyeballs attracted at that time. And yes, some of that, buyer beware, some of that ended badly for many years. But it really did spawn a very important movement in technology. And we think the same is true here. Well, we are doing what we've always done, which is investing in truly transformative innovation across sectors. So that's we have not changed at all. There is a meme out there going around, which is very interesting. And unfortunately, in these momentum-driven markets, perhaps more true than we would have liked. If you look at the beginning of the last administration, that was our peak, the peak in innovation. And we went through, as did everybody, a bear market hit disproportionately. And we had been underperforming until it seems the idea that we were going to have a new administration started moving into the market. So when you say the market's been very strong, sure, yes, it has, but it's been very concentrated to very few names. In fact, if you use a Goldman study, it has never been more concentrated. And this includes during the Great Depression, when that was a binary decision with 25% unemployment and 30% drop in GDP. Is this company going to survive? We were more concentrated than that. So I would say, even though the market did hit all-time highs, it was powered by very cash-rich companies. And there has been a lot of fear out there. And I think what the new administration is doing is changing fear into optimism. And, you know, with deregulation, I think that's highly underestimated, how important deregulation is going to be to unleashing animal spirits. So we're pretty excited about this. And yes, our strategies are starting to break out. I don't know if it's momentum or not. We haven't changed what we're doing. We think these companies are going to transform the world. They're just now being recognized a little more, now that risk appetite is picking up a bit.
Ethereum has started 2025 on a rocky note, with its value dropping nearly 7% throughout January. This decline contrasts with the broader crypto market's performance and Bitcoin's steady leadership. Ethereum's price fell from its early January high of $3,400 to a recent low of $3,170, according to CoinGecko data. Despite this dip, historical trends suggest that February and March could bring a turnaround for the second largest cryptocurrency. Data from CoinGlass reveals that Ethereum has typically performed well in February, with only one recorded loss in the month over the past 6 years. Notably, February 2024 saw Ethereum climb over 46%, and in February 2017, it surged by 48%. March also historically brings gains, with the cryptocurrency rising in 7 of the last 9 years. These patterns give traders optimism for the months ahead. Analysts and Ethereum supporters remain bullish. One engineer and analyst, known as Wolf, highlighted Ethereum's resilience, calling it the best asymmetrical bet you can make. Others, like Ethereum educator Anthony Sassano, emphasized recent developments within the Ethereum Foundation, describing a renewed hunger for progress within the community. This renewed energy could play a key role in boosting sentiment and price action. Currently trading around $3,183, Ethereum is down 35% from its all-time high of $4,878 in November 2021. While it hasn't matched the gains of high-cap peers like Bitcoin, Solana, and XRP recently, the cryptocurrency's long-term potential and historical trends suggest that February and March could mark the beginning of a rebound. And do not forget to subscribe to Bitcoin Seller. The most important news will reach your inbox on a daily basis and for free. I do not know why you have not subscribed yet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily updates. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you on your financial journey. Until next time, happy investing.